Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joanna Esu, and I'm here to talk about types of dances. Here is a list of the most popular types of dances: ballet, ballroom, contemporary, hip-hop, jazz, folk dance, and tap dance. First, what is ballet? Ballet is a type of dance that originated from Italian Renaissance. You dance ballet with poise and grace. Second on my list is ballroom. Ballroom dance is a set partner dance formerly done in an occasion or in competitions. 3. Contemporary. Contemporary dance is a dance with a mix of ballet and hip-hop. 4. Hip-hop. Hip-hop is a fusion dance that involves popping, locking, jumping, and sometimes ballet. 5. Jazz. Jazz is a dance which is the mix of ballet and contemporary to the tune of jazz music, blues, or the saxophone. Number 6. Tap dance. Tap dance is a kind of dance that use your feet to tap to the beat of a particular music. The shoes you use has a metal sole under it, so it can make the sound. Last on my list is folk dance. Folk dance is basically a traditional dance done by different tribes, maybe on their different occasions. Thank you.